Simba TV.
Naked eye observations. Phases of the moon. You can observe the different phases from the new moon, crescent, first quarter, gibbous, to the full moon. Maria, lunar seas. These are large, dark, basaltic plains formed by ancient volcanic eruptions. They are visible as darker patches on the moon's surface. Bright and dark regions. You can see the contrast between the brighter highland areas and the darker Maria. Binoculars. Craters. More craters become visible, especially larger ones like Tycho, Copernicus, and Clavius. Mountain ranges. The Apennine, Caucasus, and Alpine ranges can be seen. Detail in Maria. You can see more detail within the lunar seas, such as small craters and ridges. Telescope observations. Detailed crater features, smaller craters, central peaks within craters, and crater rays, ejecta patterns, become visible. Rills and valleys. These are narrow channels or valleys on the lunar surface. Ridges and wrinkles. These are features within the Maria formed by tectonic forces. Lunar domes. Volcanic domes can be observed, which are relatively rare features. Detailed view of lunar highlands. You can see the rugged terrain and high density of craters.